Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Getray Wamaloba. If wewe ni mgeni, remember to subscribe. If wewe ni return watcher, continue watching. Today I want to show you how to clean the room using this machine, a vacuum machine. First, we remove this. This one is the room I want to clean. Have you seen it well? The room I want to clean using this vacuum machine. You put it here to electricity. After putting it there, you open. But guys, mtanisamea kwa kelele. It has a lot of noise. I don't know if you will hear me. Stay tuned, continue watching. I open it. This one is to open. It have closed. This one is open. Open. And hold this. It has this. It has this. Now you start vacuum. This one is how it vacuum. This one are biggest. You can take. It collects all rubbish. Ukikili unaisongesha. Cleaning machine, vacuum machine. You see that dust it will collect. It have taken it. It takes all dust. This vacuum give us a easy work. Inatupatia kazi rahisi. Kama vyakula vimeanguka kwa room, you just collect it. It give us an easy work. I guess, can you see how the room looks like? So clean. That's all. Thank you for watching it. And remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, like, comment. Bye bye. Nawapenda bure.